Hello everyone and welcome to another tutorial on the SmartAssistant channel. In this tutorial, I will guide you through the process of enabling the Read Receipts feature on Viber. Read Receipts allow you to know when your messages have been read by your contacts, and it also informs the other party when you have read their messages. This functionality can be helpful for better communication tracking and more efficient message management. So, if you're ready, let's get started right away. First, open your Viber application. Then, in the bottom right corner, tap on the three dots. Right after that, look for Settings, and tap on it. Once you are in the settings, select Privacy. Once you've done that, now tap on the first option, Online Status Read Receipts. We're almost there. Now, in the Read Receipts section, tap on the option On, and that's it. I hope you have successfully activated this feature. If you found this video helpful, please like it, share it with others, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Stay well and see you soon.